Thank you, Sir Jeffrey. Now I have the honor to present to you the completers from Grade 10 Section G. Andre C. Alcomendas, Chantel Daniel M. Bagay with highest honors. Lian C. Balintong with honors. Camille Rich S. Ballesteros with honors. Jiraisha Mel B. Basbas with high honors. Summer C. Bautista, Axel Rose B. Belen, Hannah Casey Y. Benitez with honors. Jamaica Ray J. Bensurto, Princess Michelle S. Bernabe with honors. Jessery D. Bertoldo with high honors. Edgley M. Borja, Sheila May C. Bruno with honors. Nicole Ashley D. Buna with honors. Crystalline B. Cabildo with honors. Brian M. Cabuenas, Kael Jerich B. Tontoy, Justin M. Calado, Jerlene April L. Cara with honors. Richly P. Caras, Carlo E. Cantero, Tomas Matthew D. Casamayor, Cedric J. A. Claudio with honors. Aubrey May L. Cornico, Pamela O. Cortez, Hannah B. Cristoles, Genesis E. Contapay, Cyrex B. Custodio, George Vince L. Daen, John Kirby C. Dagan, John Miguel E. Dagoy, Arthur Noel D. Dalugdog Jr., Kim Ann C. De Vera, Bryce C. de la Calzada with honors. CJ Francis P. de la Cruz, James B. de los Santos, RB Jan S. de Mamiles, Aaron Jan C. Diano, John Kenneth D. Evido, Eliasar B. Encabo, Jonas M. Española, Jake K. Esplagera with honors. Ryan Chris C. Estacio, Len Lawrence Y. Estreñero. Zachary Gans S. Mahuta with honors. And Lance P. Molijo with honors. Congratulations. At this moment, the completers of grade 10 section H will be presented by their advisor, Mr. Edgardo L. Evangelista.
Thank you, Sergeant